Let's say you applied your Nclex through New York Board of Nursing and you have already taken your Nclex and successfully you were able to make it. You passed your Nclex. So, your question next in mind is what I'm going to expect after passing the Nclex through New York Board of Nursing. So in this video, we are going to talk about the documents that you are going to receive coming from the board after you pass the Nclex through New York Board of Nursing. Hello everyone, good day. This is Rachel from IPASS Processing, and we are a processing agency and we provide assistance for medical professionals for their international exam application for the USA and the Middle East. So we also provide licensure exam application for other nationalities aside from the Filipinos. So for the complete list of the services that we are offering, kindly click the description down below. So let's talk about after passing your Nclex through New York Board of Nursing. What are the documents that you are going to expect coming from the board? So, I'm going to let you see the documents that I received coming from the board after the license endorsement, because I took the Nclex and I passed the Nclex through Texas Board of Nursing, and then after some time, we endorsed my license to New York Board of Nursing. During that time, that was around 2018, so it was almost 2 years ago. So during that time, the processing through New York Board of Nursing was really quick. In about 2 months, I already received my new license coming from the board. So it was from Texas and endorsed to New York Board of Nursing. If ever that you need in assistance for the endorsement on whatever Board of Nursing you may need, you may inquire through our Facebook page, that's IPASS Processing, or through our website, that's www.ipassprocessing.com. So after you pass the Nclex to New York Board of Nursing, you are going to wait for about 1 week to 2 weeks, and then you are going to see that your name will be posted through their website, and you will see there your name and your license number. So after which, you are also going to expect that you will receive the license certificates coming from the board. The good thing about New York Board of Nursing is that they are sending the license certificate by mail. Through a regular mailing, you will receive that one coming from your postal office. You will receive your license. Unlike other boards of nursing, like Texas Board of Nursing, they are no longer providing the license certificate. And in my Board of Nursing, they are providing a hard copy of the license card, which looks like the size of the PRC ID that we have, and also they are providing certificate. So say for example, for New York Board of Nursing, you pass your Nclex to New York Board of Nursing, you will receive a license certificate. You will receive a huge, an A4 size, I suppose, an A4 size folder coming from, I'm not sure if this is A4 size. Okay, this is the folder. This is the actual folder that I received coming from New York Board of Nursing. So it was mailed through just the regular mailing. It's coming from the New York Board of Nursing. They have their address here. And then this is my address in here. It says, do not bend or fold. So, once you will be excited when you are going to receive this certificate because you have been so determined to pass your Nclex. Of course, you will be excited to receive your license, right? So, when you open your license, you will receive these certificates. First, you have your certificate. This is your certificate. This is your license certificate. So, it says in here, I'm not so sure if you can see this one. So this one, you are going to see in here that there is the University of the State of New York, and you have your name, which will be printed in here, and you have on the lower right portion, you have there your license number, and this license certificate doesn't have any expiration date. For example, if we are going to compare this one with a Visa Screen Certificate, what I'm going to let you see is my Visa Screen Certificate as well. This Visa Screen Certificate has the expiration date on the upper right corner. So with this license certificate coming from the New York Board of Nursing, there is no expiration date. Meaning to say it will be valid forever. So you have to keep this one. And what I can suggest also for your certificates or for any document that you have, please make a scanned copy of those so that you have a digital copy of all those certificates and documents that you have. So when you need something, so you can just easily submit it when you have the scanned copy of those documents. So this is the first document that you are going to receive coming from the board. So this one, we call this one a registration certificate. So there are details in here in the upper portion that says that if you receive a registration certificate and the name or the address is not right, then you have to notify the Board of Nursing for it to be changed. And then in the lower portion, this is your registration certificate. So you have in here your license number as well in the upper right corner, and then the certificate number in the other side, in the left side portion. And you have here your name and your address, and also there is an expiration date for this one. It says that this is valid until 2021. So for your license through New York Board of Nursing, it is valid for 3 years. So you are going to renew your license before it expires, because it is costly to expire a license if ever that was already expired. It would be best if you're going to renew your license if it's not yet expired. About probably 30 days or 60 days before its expiration, you can come to IPASS, because we also do USA license renewal, even PRC license renewal. We can assist you on that. So this is the second document that you are going to receive. What we call this one is the registration certificate. Okay? This has a validity, meaning to say that it can expire. So after 2021, this is no longer valid, but this license certificate, this license parchment has no validity. And then the last one that you are going to receive as well, coming from the Board of Nursing, is just this congratulatory message from New York Board of Nursing's Executive Secretary. So, in here, there are details that you can see. It says about your license renewal. It says about, it is congratulating you for being a registered nurse through New York Board of Nursing. So, this one, you may keep this one, but this is not as much as important comparing to those two, registration certificate and the license certificate. So, these are the documents that you are going to receive coming from New York Board of Nursing. These 3 documents. First, your license certificate, and then your registration certificate, which expires, and this just congratulatory message. Now, if you're thinking of your pass letter, are you going to receive your pass letter after you pass the Nclex to New York Board of Nursing? You can receive your pass letter if ever that you are going to request that one. But it's not an individual requisition. It must be coming from a third party. It can be your agency, your processing agency. So in IPASS, if ever that you need assistance for your pass letter through New York Board of Nursing, we can also assist you for that. For the processing time frame of your pass letter, it will be received for about after 1 month of having it requested. By the way, I forgot that the licenses or those documents that I have shown you earlier, those will be received for about 2 months or 3 months. At most, it can be 4 months. If ever that you did not receive those license parchment, those license registration certificate coming from the board, let us know if we are your processing agency, or let the Board of Nursing know if you are from other processing agency that you did not receive it yet. Because in our clients, we are going to follow up the board, and if ever that it wasn't really received, you did not really receive the license, so we are going to request again. And that needs to be paid to the Board of Nursing for the reissuance of those documents. Okay? So, with regard to the pass letter, so this is your pass letter. It says here that you pass your Nclex through what Board of Nursing you applied for the Nclex. For example, you pass the Nclex through New York, so it will say here that you pass your Nclex through New York Board of Nursing. It has your picture, your not so best look because you were so anxious during that time. And then you have here your test date as well as your test center number. And then you have your full name here and also your candidate number, and you have your birth date in here. This is a very important document. This will be required by your recruitment agency during employment application. This may not be required as you apply through a recruitment agency, but this will be a requirement that the recruitment agency will submit to USCIS. I believe so, because everybody who passed the Nclex is requesting for the pass letter, and I have heard that the recruitment agencies will submit that also during your application for the immigrant visa application. So this is a very important document. You have to take note of this one, and you are not going to receive the pass letter if ever that you pass your Nclex to New York Board of Nursing. It must be requested from the Board of Nursing, and we are going to pay for that for your pass letter to be issued. So those are the documents that you are going to expect that you should have after you pass your Nclex. So, thank you guys for your time. If ever that you need assistance on your Nclex, your license endorsement, your renewal PRC, or your USA license renewal, we are just a message away. We are just a text away. So, connect with us through our Facebook page, that's IPASS Processing, or through our website, that's www.ipassprocessing.com. So, thank you very much, and God bless everyone. Stay safe, and bye-bye. To the next video. Bye!